Welcome to our crash course on physics. In the next 20 minutes, we're diving into the fascinating world of physics to explore its core principles and how they shape our universe. Physics is the branch of science that deals with matter, energy, and their interactions. It's the foundation of understanding how the universe works, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. Let's start with Newton's laws of motion, the backbone of classical mechanics. These laws explain everything from how we walk to how rockets launch into space. Newton's first law, also known as the law of inertia, is foundational for understanding motion. It tells us that objects maintain their state of motion unless acted upon by an external force. For example, a car suddenly halting causes passengers to lurch forward, an illustration of inertia. Newton's second law quantifies this relationship, where force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals ma. This principle underpins everything from how engineers design vehicles to how athletes optimize performance. Lastly, Newton's third law demonstrates the balance of forces in nature. The principle of action and reaction governs phenomena like swimming, where pushing water backward propels a swimmer forward. Energy is the lifeblood of physics. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. This principle powers everything around us, from natural processes to cutting-edge technology. Energy exists in various forms: mechanical, thermal, chemical, nuclear, and more. A classic example is the interplay between potential and kinetic energy. Consider a pendulum. At its highest point, it holds maximum potential energy. As it swings downward, this potential transforms into kinetic energy. In modern applications, the law of energy conservation underlies renewable energy technologies. Solar panels, for instance, convert the sun's radiant energy into usable electrical power. Understanding these conversions is key to advancing sustainable energy solutions. Next up, electromagnetism, the force that governs electricity and magnetism. Thanks to Faraday's discoveries, we harness this force for power grids, communication systems, and even MRI machines. Electromagnetism unites two essential forces, electricity and magnetism. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction reveals that a changing magnetic field induces an electric current. This principle drives the functioning of electric generators and transformers. Moreover, Maxwell's equations elegantly describe how electric and magnetic fields interact. In daily life, electromagnetism is indispensable. It powers household appliances, enables wireless communication, and forms the foundation of advanced imaging technologies like MRIs, which use magnetic fields and radio waves to visualize internal organs. Thermodynamics teaches us about heat, work, and energy transfer. It's why engines run, refrigerators cool, and stars shine. Thermodynamics consists of four fundamental laws, with the first three being most widely applied. The zeroth law defines temperature equilibrium, while the first law equates to energy conservation, extending this concept to heat and work. The second law introduces entropy, explaining why certain processes are irreversible. For instance, heat spontaneously flows from hot to cold, but not the reverse. Finally, the third law suggests that absolute zero, a state of zero entropy, is unattainable. Thermodynamics governs diverse phenomena, from biological metabolism to the design of efficient engines and the life cycle of stars. For the microscopic world, we turn to quantum mechanics. Quantum principles are the bedrock of modern tech, like semiconductors, lasers, and quantum computing. Quantum mechanics revolutionized our understanding of nature at the smallest scales. Central to quantum theory is wave-particle duality, where particles like electrons exhibit both particle and wave characteristics. The uncertainty principle further complicates this picture, stating that certain properties such as position and momentum cannot be simultaneously measured with precision. Quantum mechanics underpins technologies like transistors, which are the building blocks of computers. Moreover, quantum entanglement, where particles remain interconnected regardless of distance, is paving the way for breakthroughs in quantum computing and secure communication. Finally, Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. Relativity explains cosmic phenomena and even GPS accuracy. Einstein's theory consists of special and general relativity. Special relativity introduced the famous equation E equals mc squared, revealing the equivalence of mass and energy. It also described how time and space are relative, depending on an observer's motion. General relativity extended these ideas to gravity, describing it as the curvature of space-time caused by mass. This framework predicts phenomena like black holes, gravitational waves, and the expansion of the universe. Even everyday technologies like GPS rely on relativistic corrections to provide accurate location data. Physics is all around us, from the mundane to the extraordinary. It's the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for joining this 20-minute journey. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let physics guide you to new horizons. Subscribe for more science content.